Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I've just received my new mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I thought I would share it with you as I unpack it. So let's turn this camera around and see what it's all about. So I got as far as opening the box for my new mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and thought before I go any further, I would hop on and create a video so that you can see what's in the box. So first bit of packing, these are the cutting plates. We'll open those in a moment and then pull out our little egg cratey stuff. And here's our cute little mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Let me real quick grab my full-size machine and you can see the difference in the footprint. So here's the full-size machine next to it. Can we get it all the way in the... Not sure that I can get both of these in my camera, but you get the idea of the difference in size. So let's open the platform here. On this one, oh my goodness, it's so nice and light. You could take this just anywhere. And let's open up the plates and take a look at what's here. I could carry that in my purse almost if I carried a larger purse. I used to take things with me when my daughter had classes out and about, and this would be a perfect size to be able to take along and craft. So you've got your number 1 plate. I love that all of these are numbered. And your number 2 cutting plates. And then the number 3 plate here says that it is for embossing. You can see insert the embossing folder, and that will be, and then the number 4 is also for embossing, but for your 3D folders. So next time I'm doing a video with smaller dies or smaller embossing folders, I'll pull out my mini and we will create with that together. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. If you've enjoyed seeing this new machine, give this video a thumbs up. You can purchase it too early if you would like to join my team. There's a link in the description below, and it will be available to customers next month. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye.